Hey there, I'm Nick Galusian with Mclaren Walnut Creek Service, and this is your recently purchased new Mclaren. And I'm here to answer some frequently asked questions about your new car. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at some of the goodies that come with every new Mclaren in the front luggage compartment. First, foremost, we have a beautiful car cover for when it's sitting in the garage. Have 4 beautiful tire cradles to help keep the tires nice and rounded. You got your lithium battery tender, be able to plug in and keep the battery healthy when it's parked in the garage. All right, and here we have the goodie bag that has many essentials to making sure your experience as an owner goes smooth. We have wheel chalk in case you're at the track or ever need to use it to stop the car, your warranty guide as well as your owner's manual, and then we have the emergency kit with many supplies inside, including some tire weld in case you get a flat and need to fill and stop a tire leak in an emergency, your tow hook and emergency fuel funnel if in case you ever need those, and an emergency tool to get in and access the engine compartment area if ever needed. And most important in the emergency kit here is your turnkey assist to help get into your car just in case the battery dies. And most importantly, we need to get this out of the bag and keep it in the house somewhere safe so that way it can be accessed when needed. And when it comes to using your emergency key to access your vehicle when it's dead, for a 750S model, you're going to come underneath the lowest part of the driver headlight assembly, and that's where your access point is. And GTS in our Artura models is underneath the driver door. To get in there, you'll find the key latch area, insert it, take a twist, and release the latch, and have access to your front to get to the battery for charge. Here in the cockpit of your new Mclaren, one of the frequently asked questions we get is the different driving modes for handling and powertrain. Starting in comfort mode when you start your vehicle, comfort's by far the most responsive to the road and allows the car to fluctuate with the road and give you the smoothest, nicest drive in all the modes. And then going from comfort to sport mode, with one click of the button, the suspension is going to stiffen slightly to give you a much more road-heavy feedback. And going in the powertrain, it's going to become a much more snappy and responsive shift pattern and slight power engagement. And then last but not least, one more click and we're into track mode, the ultimate performance mode for a Mclaren. With handling, that's going to give you by far the most feedback from the road with every movement that you feel, and powertrain being at its highest, most responsive setting. Another frequently asked question that I often get is what should your tire pressures be set at when you're driving your Mclaren around? From the factory, it's ideal to have them at 32 PSI, but for our more track-friendly friends, we want to make sure that we drop those tire pressures down to about 29 and determine how the track temperatures are handling and where our tire pressures are before and after sessions. So another important thing is to bring a tire gauge so you can check them regularly while you're at the track. Thanks again for watching the video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any other frequently asked questions that you'd like some answers to, please drop them in the comments below. Thanks again.